protective order is issued. The fact that, it's not issued, in this case at least, it wasn't issued by a judge, it was issued by a commissioner. The fact that, there's very little due process. The standard is completely different than it is in a criminal case where they have to find beyond a reasonable doubt that he did that. So it's just two different standards, and I think that to present both of them at the same time to the jury is to lend credibility to the testimony of Ms. Patrick, when perhaps that credibility is undue, because just because the commissioner issued an EPO based on the allegations doesn't mean those are true, or that they were even found beyond a reasonable doubt to be true. This commissioner looks like he signed it electronically. It wasn't someone who actually even met with Ms. Patrick. I don't see anything that suggests that that would be something that a jury could really separate in their mind, and it's almost like telling the jury someone else believes that this happened the way that Ms. Patrick says it did.
All right. Any response to that last piece, and then?
No, Judge.
Okay. So with respect to whether the case should be joined for the purposes of trial, this seems, at least from what I've read through and listened to here today, to be a continuing course of conduct over these 2 days. It's my understanding that these will be all the same witnesses except for one additional witness, which is the police witness for the...
In regards to continuing course of conduct, again, 4401 LaSalle Avenue is not listed in the specifications included on the order of protection. The order of protection is void for vagueness because it doesn't give proper instructions. The order of protection is based on the assault 4 allegations, and I beat the assault 4 at trial. I was acquitted of assault by a jury of my peers. So it makes no sense whatsoever for this court to continue to base a conviction on a petition that's complete with misinformation, perjury, lies. There's no factual information. There's no material facts. I mean, none of the conditions have been met by the prosecution or this court at all. So it's invalid. The entire order of protection is illegal. It's invalid. It's an absolute nullity. And my question for the court is, do you have jurisdiction? Because this document is an absolute nullity. The petition itself was never entered into evidence. The petition is based on a lie, which means, in my opinion, that the court does not have jurisdiction under FCRPP Rule 4. It has no jurisdiction under KRS Chapter 403 or KRS Chapter 456. The entire case is an absolute, complete nullity, and it's illegal under the Constitution. My opinion, and that's my belief.